The arena is getting filled up right now. At sa darating na Martes, 1:00 ng tanghali, mga kaibigan. Perpetual taking on Adamson. Huling laban dito sa ating elimination round. Dito lang po sa GMA News TV. At nahanap na po natin ang ating Shakey's Face of the Day, si Isabella Beatrix Eclarinal from University Hills, Dasmariñas, Cavite. Obviously, you know who she's rooting for. She's only 15 years old. And she's already as tall as Ivy Remulla.
So, mga potential na players yan.
An Remulla pa lang naman. Tangkad, grabe.
Tatangkad pa siya.
Oo. She must already be about, what, 5'8", 5'9" already at the age of 15. Here's Desangaño now on the back set. Roses with good defense. Desangaño this time going forward to Manzano. Yung nagkatanungan, si Manzano ba, sanay ba mag-sentro yan?
Well, she has played as a center attacker before, but probably we just got so used to her being an open hitter. Kasi kadalasan pag naging guest player siya, lagi yun na nagiging pwesto niya eh.
So what is the hardest to move to? From open to middle or from middle to open?
I would probably say from open to middle.
Yun ang ginagawa niya ngayon.
Oo, kasi yung iba ang mga sets na binibigay sa'yo sa middle blocker, if you're used to the low one, mahihirapan ka talaga. Oo.
Bembo scoring 17-13. Yun nga yung naging problema dito ni Manzano kanina. Although you're right, we did see her as a center before, pero iba pa rin yung natural position mo eh.
Like ako, when I was really a center blocker, tapos when I shifted to open hitter, naninibago ko eh.
Oo.
Kasi ang tataas ng bola, sanay ako na laging mababa lahat ng binibigay sa akin.
Yan ba, sa Benild ka? Sa Benild, sentro ka rin, di ba?
Yeah.
Also, nung varsity ka pa.
Yeah, well, actually there are some ano na rin naman na nag-shift ako, like naging utility na rin ako, naging utility spiker.
All around pala, ito si Ivy Remulla. Pwede pang mag-guest player to, ha?
Bumuo ka ng team para sa akin.
Maganda dyan the Remulla sisters. Na-operahan na rin naman si Ann. Pwede na ulit maglaro yan.
Oo, in shape na yan, ha? Naglalaro na kami ulit eh.
Labiano. Yonko. Haba na naman itong rally habang nagkwekwentuhan tayo. Dumaan sa likuran ng antena ang tira ni Bembo. Sige nga, hanap nga tayo. Sinurin kaya? Hindi, sinurin. Ano naman yung hip problem naman? Ba mga problema natin lahat, ano?
Wala pa akong problema,
ha? Si Ann tuhod, sinurin hip problem.
Si Mozi.
Si Mozi, baka pagalitan ng mga anak.
Baka hindi na payagan ng mga
Mami,
anak.
Tama na yan, ha? Ganun sila. Sabihin naman ng mga anak, Mami, dati ikaw sikat. Ngayon kami naman. Diba? Pagbigyan mo naman kami. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Pero ayaw mo nun, magbuo kayo ng team, Waterboy at Towel Boy, yung si Keeper at si Thirdy Ravena. Ayaw nyo nun. Pwede, di ba?
Pwede. Maganda yan.
Maraming manunood sa inyo tuloy.
At hindi kami ang panonoorin.
Yun ang problema ron. Nunag, still got the live momentarily. Ito masarap i-develop ngayon, si Cherry Rose Nunag. Kita mo, she has a very athletic body. She's only been playing since high school. At makita mo naman yung power na yan. Yan ang pwede talagang i-develop. I mean, if the national team is looking for players, there are so many fresh faces here in the Shakey's V-League here in the 10th season. As Roses is turned back again by Bembo. How about Desangaño? The offensive center. 2015. Ito na naman ang 5 puntos na kalamangan ng Lasal Dasmariñas. Time out, San Sebastian.
Ba't ba kayong dalawa? Lagi ang palo nyo pa diretso doon. Maghanap naman kayo ng butas. Nandito yung isa, nandito yung isa. Doon sa gitna, oh. Lahat ng inis kami dyan, puro doon sa butas ng dalawang blocker. Eh bakit nakikita niya kayo, hindi nyo nakikita? Eh mas malaki nga yung blocker niya sa inyo eh. Kasi lalaki niya yung bumablock sa kanya eh. Pero ang palusot niya doon sa gitna. Dapat nakastayan yung palusutan yun eh.
Slowly, San Sebastian losing their grip on this set. Let's take a look at that last play once again. Boy, Desangaño is just everywhere dito. That's a good block there from Bembo. Look at the timing nito si Desangaño. Yun yung isa sa mga convert, I'm sure. Dating attacker na naging setter.
Well, she has been scoring a lot from the blocks for Lasal. But Jen Manzano,
namigay ng puntos
with that service error.
Partida daw, partida. Mahirap bigyan ng partida ito San Sebastian. Finalist ng NCAA ito. Sa bagay, Lasal Dasmariñas has been many-time NCRAA champion. One of the most successful programs in the history of that tournament. At yung sinasabing ang one of the brightest products na na-produce nila, napanood natin nung nakaraang UAAP, si Wench Chu.
Yes.
Here's Bembo. Roses. Crisostomo. Zarina Berbano. And again, Desangaño.
Desangaño, probably the best blocker for this game.
And Clint Malazo is now wondering what he should do. Ibubunutin na naman ito from the bench. Labiano, yes. Ito all business, si Jolina.
Game face lagi,
Oo.
no?
I like the intensity that she brings to the game dito. Kailangan mo ng ganyan. Kailangan mo ng the next Joy Benito. Hinahanap na lang natin yung mga the next Sasa de Banadera, the next Charis Ancheta. Yun ang wala pa dito sa team as we have a lifting violation here against Jang Boli. That was such a strong lineup sa San Sebastian dati.
Very strong.
Ginny Mondejar, meron kang Sasa de Banadera, Charis Ancheta, Luan Latigay.
Consistently tall lineup
Right,
din,
right.
Like from the setter.
Oo. Pamsi Belen was their setter also. Well, sabagay, Charis Ancheta rin. That reception there from Jolina. It is now 24-17. 7 set points for LaSalle Dasmariñas. But again, San Sebastian will get there. They have a very good volleyball program, and despite the fact that they're in transition, nag-finals pa rin sila sa NCAA. Desangaño has been scoring heavily for a setter. Berbano. Berbano now across for Jang Boli. Off the block. Nunag. Boli out of position. Desangaño. And that is the final nail on the coffin delivered by Monique Chanco as LaSalle Dasmariñas has picked up the first 2 sets dito po sa ating laban. 25-17 naman ang score at the end of the second set. Ganda na nilalaro nila without Chisait to say that, Ivy, as we take a look at our shake and play.
Well, it's a very controlled game for the LaSalle Dasmariñas. That down the line hit of Monique Chanco has been scoring heavily as well for LaSalle.